So the first question was, what were some of the major points about statistics that you learned from what you have read and listened to so far? So what I've interpreted so far is that statistics and really anything that goes on the internet is not always going to be true, and it's not always going to be quote-unquote factual. And sometimes statistics may not even be designed to inform you, but they might be designed in order for you to buy something, to like convince you to buy something, but it's also there so it could change someone's point of view towards something. So the article I chose, I'm getting the title. I chose Connecting Science and Policy in Africa. So currently in Africa, their policies are a bit kind of all over the place, and the government's kind of looking for ways to figure out how to fix things such as crops, because sometimes the government just doesn't seem to see that kind of stuff has to do with science, and that they need scientists in there to, help, grow the crops, for example. So, like I said, Africa is interested in placing scientists among the government in order to better their system, which like I said, the crops, the even the temperatures, I guess they're rising, and that it's a threat to subsistence farmers, which they both needed biotech solutions, which, hello, scientists, and they weren't getting that. So I've always kind of known that everything has science in it, with the environment and all of that, because crops are definitely something that, has to do with that, stuff like that. So, and for myself, so third question is, explain how you would use the information in the module, college, and life. So for me, I'm definitely going to be more smart and strategic when it comes to politics. I'm definitely going to research who I'm voting for, making sure that they have the same political views as I do before I make a vote. And that's very important for everybody because, for example, we see with the presidential election that not everything is what it seems. You really need to do your research before you vote. Another way that I'll use this specifically in college is that you're gonna need to do your research a lot more than what it seems right now, because the internet is unfortunately full of lies, and that sometimes these facts that we choose to put into our papers aren't facts, and that's what fact checkers are for. So that's definitely what I'm going to use it for.